Alright YouTube, so that's the Zebronics 2.0 mini desktop speakers. You can see the lights are on and they are changing the RGB lights. So I have connected this to my PC right here, and I'm gonna play some songs and it's gonna be very loud. So we're gonna check the sound quality and especially how it is at the loud volume. So at the back you can see Dance's page is already open there, so I'm going to play a few songs from there. So we'll start.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I say, I'm a pretty boss, we're gonna hush your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, I got clothes, I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Girl that they don't talk about. Just for you.
Inside my mind, we would dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you.
Alright, so that's it. As I told you, the highs are a bit more highs, and sometimes at this loud volume the voice and the high frequencies are like hurting my ears, but I'm sitting here straight to the speakers right now, so I don't like that. So it's not good for all type of songs. So now let's test a bass boosted song and let's see how it works.
All about humanity.
as you just heard, that the bass is good. I mean, not heavy because they are small in size and they have plastic body. So, but the bass is punchy. You can feel that, the pressure of the bass. But as I told you, the highs a bit more high, so it hurts the ears sometimes if you are sitting straight to it and listening loud. So that's it. But if you're listening to medium volume playing games, that's okay. So that's it. This was the sound test video of this Zebronics 2.0 digital speakers. Hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.